Hey guys, what's going on? This is Rayhan from Ready Tech, and today we're going to be checking out the Aluxkee 3-in-1 charger for your Apple iPhone, your Apple Watch, and your AirPods. This is going to do all 3-in-1, which is really cool to see. It's actually 15 watt charging for the phone, so it's not really that slow. It's I would say, average charging speeds, but better than most. And this one I found off Amazon for a really good price. Just wanted to show you guys because it was very different looking in terms of the style and the look of it. So inside you're going to get the wireless actual charger with a Type-C cable and block, and there it is right there. You can see that the top, and I'm going to show you a little bit more video later on, but the top is where the where the Apple Watch will go. And there is a section for your AirPods to sit. And good news is you can use any Type-C charger lying around the house to plug this into the wall. It will work perfectly fine. So here it is, taking a look, fully unboxed, charged into the wall, and there's the AirPods sitting there. Those are wirelessly charging AirPods, which is really sleek and nice, kind of hidden away in the back to see. The material on this item is actually really nice and kind of a matte finish as well, so really nice to put your items on. And here's the Apple Watch. You can see it just hooks on, quick magnet, and there it is, charging right away. I haven't had a miss or anything like that in terms of when I put the Apple Watch down. It's always held on really well by the magnet and the charging capability. Get a quick look around the side so you can kind of see how sleek it is. Very sleek and modern looking. And the biggest thing is it's saving a lot of space on your desk. So rather than being horizontal, it's a little bit vertical, and really saving a lot of space on your side desk or wherever you're going to be kind of putting this on. And then here it is with the phone, the iPhone 13 Pro I have right now. And yeah, just perfectly charging, hooks on really well, great magnets, great to see. So that was a very quick look at the Aluxkee 3-in-1 charger. I'll leave the links in the description below, but obviously please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, we will see you in the next one. Peace.